Hi guys, my name is Gauda and today I'm super excited because I'm going to share some of my favorite tips on how to save up money as a student. First things first, choosing where to shop can make a huge difference in your budget, and I absolutely love Vinton because this location has amazing charity shops. Here are some of my recent finds and how much they cost. When it comes to groceries and essentials, I believe you won't go wrong if you shop at places like Lidl, Aldi, and Asda. These stores are well known for being affordable. To avoid impulse purchases, I would really recommend making a shopping list before you head to the store. And a bonus tip is never, I repeat, never go to the grocery store on an empty stomach. Another fantastic way to save up money would be cooking at home. I'm currently working on that myself. Of course, it is amazing to treat yourself and go out for a meal, but developing good cooking habits is a way to go. If you're like me and find it hard to resist buying coffee every single day, consider making it at home and taking it with you on the go. Another great money-saving tip is using apps for discounts. Whether you shop at Lidl, Asda, or Tesco, make sure you download their app for exclusive discounts. Uni Days and Student Beans are my favorite apps. These apps are specifically designed for students. You can get discounts not only for food, but also for clothes, accessories, books, and even traveling. And finally, I will share with you a very affordable meal idea. I usually make this for breakfast, but you can make it for dinner or lunch as well. On the left side, you can see the most affordable products for this recipe. All of these products are from Lidl. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!